Hello guys, this is the part 2 of series SQL 50. You can see that there are 50 questions. I'll be solving every question one by one in an individual video. So you can check my previous video. I have already submitted or uploaded on YouTube channel, recyclable and low fat. And in this video I'll be solving find customer reference. This is the question for this video. So let's start. The question is find customer reference. So you can see that here there is a table named customer and it have three columns: ID, name and referee, right? And in this question we have to find the names of customers that are not referred by with customer with ID equal to 2. Return the result table in any order, right? So here we will understand this question by this example. You can see that here is the table customer. We need to retrieve all data except where referee ID is 2. So in outcomes we want all except this result. You can also see the output. We will get name Will, Jan, Will, Jack, right? But we didn't get in output Mark and Alex, right? So for this question, you know that for retrieving any data we need to start from select clause, select name, only name because we want only name. Here you can also see in output we need only name. From the customer, right? If we run now, so we will get all name from this table. As expected we get all, but we don't want all, right? So we need to add some filter or condition by using where clause. So referee ID not equal to, we know that for not is equal to, write like this 2, right? This is not a complete query for now. We need one more condition because null value is negligible by any filter. So if we run this only, so we will get only this value Jack because these are negligible. Null means nothing, so this condition is not fulfilled our requirement. You can see here. So I just run this challenge. So yeah, we get only Jack as expected. So now we need to add one more condition: referee ID is null. Like we also want this where referee ID is null. So I also now it's correct. So I also put this condition. Now this is perfectly completed query. You can see our code get accepted. So yeah, we get all Will, Jan, Will, Jack, right? All name. So now submit it. Here we go. We get, so here we go. our question get accepted, our code is get accepted. So thanks for watching. So subscribe my channel and like this video for more videos. I'll upload next part. This is the part 2, so I'll upload next part. You can check out tomorrow.